Why are you copying me? Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making puff puff. And he's from Ghana, so they say Bofrot. If I were to describe puff puff, I relate it to like a hush puppy.
True.
A soft hush puppy, but fluffier and lighter. You're gonna need yeast, flour. Please be particular with the flour because I've messed up a lot of batches. Salt, nutmeg, sugar, and balls. And then this has like warm water so that I can proof the yeast. And then just measuring cups. Alright, so in this section, I'm just getting Elvis to measure out the sugar and the yeast and the water. We got like 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of yeast, and then he's gonna put warm water in there to set it off. And he's putting extra sugar in there for no reason. No, stop! Do that with the actual batter. Don't put extra sugar in there.
I didn't. What makes you think I was gonna put extra sugar in?
You're gonna then mix it, cover it up, and wait 10 minutes until it gets bubbly. Let's level that out a little bit.
There ain't no more space in here. Alright, I need another bowl to level it out.
Sir, what are you doing?
Don't worry about me.
Please. So now Elvis is putting the flour, sugar, nutmeg, salt into a bowl, and then he's going to eventually add the yeast that we were letting sit back in. So you can see like how bubbly it is. He's about to pour it in there. Add your water. It's about 1/2 cup. Stir it until it gets smooth. If it's soft enough, then I think it's to your liking. Then yeah, that's perfect. Way better than mine. Sit in a dark place, so you're not.
Alright, so as the chef today, we have to wait 1 hour.
1 hour.
1
say
hour.
Say it in truth.
You better train hour back.
Is that even the right thing?
Shut up.
So we're gonna wait 1 to 2 hours. Let that yeast really get in the bread, and then we'll come back and show you how we do the hand thing. And then yeah, it's been like at 2 hours.
Oh yeah, so it's been 2 hours. We're gonna reveal, unveil the Bofrot. Okay, we're gonna do it slowly.
Hey, we can go faster a little bit.
Ta-da! Now, your oil is already preheated to about,
I don't know,
275, 300. I don't know. Just make sure it's hot.
It's very bubbly.
Hey. So I do the whole beating thing, right? I'm just gonna make the baby ones today.
So.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to grip it right, but it's like too soft.
You have to do the whole.
Y'all, I normally know what I'm doing.
You were laughing. Hey, look at you now. Donna,
Hey.
you don't need 2 hands for this.
Okay. It's too soft, y'all.
Alright,
Okay.
You're fired. You're fired.
Bro, I literally. Please, let me come again. Please. Turn off the DM myself.
Let's see if it's gonna turn into a good ball.
Mom is ugly. So this is the Bofrot. I went a little extra with the sugar, but I'm from the South. Sometimes I get carried away. But yeah.
Hi, how you doing?
Yeah. So I'm gonna show you one of these not so good looking ones. What it looks like.
Oh, this sugar is gonna get everywhere.
Yeah. Okay. Well, come.
Okay.
Come. So we're gonna break into one. Focus.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Pretty good.
Oh wait, it's sweeter. Yeah, we did pretty good. I guess to debrief or do better next time. I don't know why. Maybe because of how Elvis made the dough. It was too soft. So when you were grabbing it, it wasn't doing what it was supposed to do.
But I think I like this one better though, because it's fluffier. Because the other one was like
Very
tough,
bready.
yeah. No, I like this. Not because I made it, but it's fire.
Yeah.
Alright, there was a taste test, not either.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Please like, subscribe, share, leave funny comments for the one and not me, please. Just for her. But
No, don't
yeah.
talk about mine. The way I was scooping it up. Can the sisters like comment how y'all scoop it up? Cause I just couldn't get it together. Yeah, cause his were not right and mine weren't right at all. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. We're gonna keep doing these as we.
Are we gonna end this video? We're never gonna end the video. All right.
Okay.
Bye.